She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the Fetty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my
hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose, camera, click, we pose, beat.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I am 𝒷𝒶𝒶. If you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So here on my channel, all I do is just install wigs. Sometimes I put a little razzle dazzle, I put a vlog in here and there, but overall that's what this channel is about. Guys, baby, we are on a budget. We are baddie on a budget, okay? Ain't nothing over here high. Cheap stuff only. I did order this off of 𝒷𝒂𝓁𝓁𝒶.com. Outre unit. Anyway, this is called Evalina. Y'all see what it is? Evalina. That's the name of it right there, y'all. This is a lace front unit, and it is a 20-inch. I did get the color 1B. I ain't feel like no color in this one, so I got a basic color, but just know that they do have several colors in this style. Part is a 5-inch deep parting. It does have pre-plucked lace parting. It's a natural baby hair, but y'all know with these units, it really don't look like it's baby hair, so I might have to pluck. Oh, I don't like plucking. But anyway, let's open her up. She cute. She real cute. I love, oh my gosh, look at that. 20-inch. Oh, I don't even want to comb it out. Oh, okay. So let me give you the rundown on the inside, okay? The baby hairs are really, really cute. This lace is very soft. But the inside, we have 2 combs. We have 2 combs on the side, and I know we got one at the bottom. And it does come with the adjustable straps. And yeah, girl, she is pretty deep. Like, baby, she is cute. Like, look at that. Baby, do you see this? This gives so much class. Alright, so I went on ahead and I put my stocking cap on, put a little makeup on so I can blend it. Just overall, let's go ahead and put this unit on, okay? Mess these curls up. Oh, and I did not mention that it is a middle part. This, what? Oh, that curl. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, look at that. This is so cute. Yeah, I'm all about less work. Okay, so I'm going to put this back and see. It's me being me, y'all. I'm not gonna plug it. Like, should I ain't even gonna tell no lie. I don't even want to plug it. I just don't want to plug it. It is what it is. I don't care. I don't want to plug it. I don't want to plug it.
Bounty Mega Roll, 4 rolls in 1.
I like the softness of the baby hairs. I said I wasn't gonna pluck anything, but y'all know how I just don't. Yeah, we just gonna do it. And normally I would just like use my tweezers, but like with this unit, it's kind of a little difficult to plug, so I'm pretty much just parting and pulling, okay? In different places, baby. Yeah. Oh my god. I think I. Oh no. The video's over. Very mad. Hey. What? This is so freaking stupid. Good thing I know how to improvise. Did I want to? No. I probably should have just left it alone. Something told me to leave it alone. That's what I get. That's exactly what I get. You know what? I deserve to go out with a bald head. Who in the right mind looks like that anyway? I mean, I do, but dang, man. Alright, let me improvise. I'll just show y'all later. So I'm gonna go in with my melting spray, and I am about to work something. I just don't. Y'all, I'm really kind of winging it. It's cool though. It is all good in the neighborhood. We're gonna work this out because, baby, I mean, it's a brand new wig. I mean, I can't just, you know, take it off and be like, oh, I'm not gonna wear it. Baby, I got to wear it. That's the thing. Do that. Why would y'all make me do that? Like, why would y'all make me pluck my wig like that? Y'all ain't no good. Let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna lay this down. Y'all, I ain't never did that to a new unit. I have never. I need to stop doing things. I just be doing things, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. I kept it on there for about 10 minutes. And we about to see. Can y'all tell? Unless I point it out to you and show you, y'all can tell. Like, this is the I have never done this before. This is crazy. I'm going in with some mousse, and I'm gonna just like simply lay some of this down. Some of that baby hair down. So now I'm going in with my wax stick. I'm gonna try to get this flat as possible. So, okay, so I did a little work off camera. I really messed that unit up just by pulling the hair, but you know, we're not gonna dwell on the past, because what good is it gonna do us? Baby, we moving forward. So we improvised and we made it do what it do, okay? So anyway, I'm about to pin this up, and yeah, I flat ironed it the best I could. I probably could do a little bit more. Overall, it is flat. And yeah, so this is my method. I normally get my clips and I put it up because I want that little lift. I don't even know what you would call it, but y'all know what I mean. So I wanted this, and I'm gonna spray it down real quick. Spray it with 𝒔𝒻𝒶 spray. So I'm gonna drown it down. I'm gonna put some on top so I can lay it down a little bit more. If a flat iron does not give you that lift that you want, this most definitely works, especially with synthetic units. So it's not getting it, just get you some clips or get you bobby pins. Yeah, that'll work. And just lift it up and spray it down. That way it will stay. That is my method, and it works every time for your girl, okay? So me sitting here looking at that, this right here, you can clearly see it. So I'm about to do what it do. This is crazy. I can't believe I did that. That's just crazy. That looks better than what it was. I can tell you that. Way better. Okay, so let's just get into the details of this unit, okay?
She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty.
Okay, so where should I begin? Everything was working against me when I was trying to install this unit, but you guys, I would literally give her I personally want to say either a 8 or a 9 out of 10. Really like this unit. Okay, so let me tell you what I do like about it. So these curls, baby, can you see the waves? These are very pretty. I did not comb it out. I went through it with my nails, and you know, it got that little poofiness, and I was trying to calm it down. I did not put anything in it. Overall, it is very pretty. I love this hair, the texture, the color. I did leave the natural baby hair there. I thought it was pretty cute. Now let's get into the lace and me plucking. Y'all know, like y'all saw me, I literally plucked. It was probably my fault. I'm not even gonna blame this unit. I'm not gonna blame the company. It was my fault. I did that. I know I did. Did get a big chunk of it and it came out. Overall, it's cute. I did put makeup in the middle of this part. Me putting the flat iron to the top, it didn't take as well, or it did. Okay, so it does take heat. Let me say that. It's just I didn't get it as flat as I wanted. You know what I'm saying? And with units, synthetic units, I have got some units where I could, baby, I got it flat. But this one, I kept going over it and over it. But I mean, I got it to a decent look. Overall, y'all do know I put some black eyeshadow in here because I did pluck too much, or I just plucked the lace off. It's cute. I like it. It's very bouncy. It's flowy. Like I said, it's an 8 or a 9 for me. I guess I'll go to a 9. I'll go to a 9. It's cute. I like it. It's just I only gave it that 8 because I plucked out the lace, but that's not their fault. That was my fault. With that being said, you guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Like I said, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in another video. Bye.
But I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the 𝒹𝒏. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me, it's not. Baddest little bitch from my block.
The things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like